Dogfennel is a weed that's widespread throughout the southeastern United States. This weed easily overtakes and chokes out desirable plants, and it is also toxic to grazing animals. In this video, we'll go over how to identify dogfennels, how to eliminate these weeds from your property, and how to prevent their growth in the upcoming seasons. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Dogfennel is a wispy, upright growing plant, growing around 6 feet in height in the correct conditions. Other times, however, it may grow at most 6 inches in height. The leaves are thin, hairless, and have a feathery appearance, and they are a bright yellow-green color. The stems of younger dogfennel plants are hairy, soft, and easily break, but as the weed matures, it can become woody and tough. When dogfennel produces flowers, its flowers are white in color. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Dogfennel can be considered a perennial plant or a summer annual plant. The plant germinates in spring when soil temperatures reach 65 degrees Fahrenheit. It produces flowers in early fall and releases seeds in late fall. Dogfennel thrives in areas where the turf is weak, thin, and sees full sunlight. It can also grow where there's partial sunlight as well. Common sites include, but are not limited to, home lawns, pastures, roadsides, and waste areas. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry. The best way to control a weed infestation that's already established on your property is to apply a post-emergent herbicide. Active ingredients like 2,4-D, glyphosate, sulfentrazone, or dicamba are known to treat dogfennel, but always look for a product that includes dogfennel on its label. For a broad-spectrum product that will kill dogfennel, check out Eraser 41% glyphosate. Be aware that this product is a non-selective herbicide and will kill any plant it is applied to. Eraser is best used to control weeds growing in areas where plants shouldn't be, like along roadsides or in the cracks and crevices of pavement. This product's mix rate is 2.5 fluid ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld sprayer. When using a non-selective herbicide like Eraser, be sure to label your sprayer explicitly for non-selective herbicide use to prevent cross-contamination in the future. Spot treat any dogfennels you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. A follow-up application may be necessary if signs of recovery are observed, especially if the plant's taproot is still alive. A reapplication with Eraser may be made after 4 weeks. Applications are most effective when plants are newly emerged. Spraying dogfennel while it's young and low to the ground is key to controlling this weed without your herbicide accidentally drifting to nearby plants. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To control and prevent dogfennel in lawns, promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. It even includes dogfennel in its list of controlled weeds. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will kill established dogfennels and prevent new ones from growing. In addition to fertilizing, mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like dogfennel from choking out your plants, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.